The excitement is palpable in the tech community as Apple lifts the curtain on its latest innovation, the 2024 Mac Mini M4. Known for its perfect blend of power and compact design, this new version promises to take the beloved desktop computer to new heights. Packed with cutting-edge technology, the Mac Mini M4 continues Apple's legacy of delivering high-performance machines that fit seamlessly into any workspace. This in-depth analysis will dive into the unique design, performance, and functionality improvements that set the 2024 Mac Mini M4 apart from its predecessors. The design of the 2024 Mac Mini M4 remains true to the iconic form Apple is renowned for, but with subtle upgrades that further enhance usability and aesthetics. The sleek, minimalist aluminum unibody design ensures it continues to stand as a symbol of sophistication in any environment. Compact in size, standing only a few inches tall, this small form factor ensures that it blends effortlessly into home offices, professional studios, or even living room setups. What's really striking, however, is how Apple has managed to squeeze even more power into this compact frame. The Mac Mini M4 is engineered to be a powerhouse without the bulk. No longer is there a need to sacrifice desk space for performance. The Mac Mini M4 gives you both. Designed to handle demanding tasks like 8K video editing, 3D rendering, and complex machine learning models, the M4 chip excels in areas where computational power is paramount. Whether you're a content creator, software developer, or data analyst, the Mac Mini M4 will keep up with your most intensive workflows. The chip's multitasking capabilities are even more impressive. You can run several heavy applications at once, think rendering a 3D project, editing high-resolution video, and using a suite of productivity tools simultaneously, all without experiencing any lag. The performance gains in the M4 chip allow professionals to elevate their productivity to unprecedented levels. For creators working in design, video production, or gaming, the GPU integrated into the M4 chip is a game changer. With enhanced graphics performance, it can handle the most demanding tasks with ease, from high-definition video editing to immersive 3D gaming. Apple has built this new GPU with advanced machine learning (ML) features, which accelerate workloads and deliver smoother performance when working with complex AI models, graphics-heavy tasks, and high-end gaming. The Mac Mini M4 comes pre-installed with macOS Sonoma, the latest iteration of Apple's powerful operating system. Known for its stability, speed, and clean interface, macOS is designed to work harmoniously with the M4 chip, providing a seamless user experience. Don't to like, share, subscribe.